Got it. That's a better one. Welcome back, guys, to another episode of Fishing is Therapy. All right, today, guys, I'm heading out. Haven't been out on the water in about a month. Time to head out. Let's go after our elusive panfish, some red ears, some bluegill. If we can't find those, let's go after some crappie. Got our minnows for those right now. And then, of course, let's see if we can find some of those white bass, man. And let's just get that therapy, boy. Stay tuned with me, man. We got a nice little trek, guys. The water temperature today is about 72 degrees right now on top. I'm about 8 feet of water right here just at the boat ramp, but I'll get out there. The time is 7:09. Today the high will be about 80 degrees, all right? So let's get it, man. Let's get out and let's do this paddle. Let's check the bridges first, and let's go ahead out and see if we can get onto some points and find some of those panfish that we so love, all right? Stay tuned, y'all. Get that therapy, boy. All right, guys, look like I see a bunch of bait over here, or looks like I see some white bass blowing up over here on some bait. Hopefully we can get on them right off this point over here. Let's make a couple of casts. I'm throwing a rage swimmer right now. Like they're tracking out a little further now. Cast up there at the retie. Let's see what happens here. Okay. A minnow getting a little bit worried. See who wants him. There we go. There we go, y'all. First fish. First fish of the day. Nice crappie. All these gonna eat today, y'all. All of them. All right. All right, pitched it on up there. On the back side is shady side. Oh. Oh. God dog it. Yeah, on that shaded side right here on this back side of this tree. Always remember that, guys. When you sun's coming up like that, it's about 10 o'clock right now, and the sun's about, almost up to noon, but the shaded side of your trees is what matters. Oh, there we go. Nice one. There we go, y'all. That's a nice little bit better. It's a little bit better crappie. There we go, y'all. Another one. Yes, sir. Now all I gotta do is find some red ears. Right there. There we go. Right in the shade. Got it. Small one. Small guy. He's a small fry. He's a small fry. I ain't keeping him. Small guy. Small fry. go. Let's get it. Got it. That's a better one. That's a better one. He'll eat. I'll keep him. You don't get too many slabs, but I'm really looking for a slab, yo. Like a nice 13, 14 incher. But before I go, I'm gonna try to catch some red ears or some bluegill out of this. Let's see if we can catch a fish with the waves. Doubt it. Get up out of there. Oh, caught him during the waves, y'all. Top of the mouth. Let's go. Nice one, too. Look at that. Caught him during the wave action. It's about 5. Five of them. Got it. Small one. Ooh. He was frustrated with life. All right, let's go back in the cove back there and see if we can find something a little better. I'm just rigging up right here, y'all. Just doing the polymer knot. It's already wet, so I didn't need to wet it. Put a red worm on it. And with this setup, since it's about October, what day is it exactly? October 14th. A good 72 degree water temperature. So I'm gonna make a cast, pitch it right up there to the bank. Right near that tree, fallen tree. Just drag it on back once it's settled. Look, already getting bit. There we go. Got it. Nice one too. There we go, yeah. Boy, they swallowing it. Can I get my hook back from you at least? And my worm. Good. And that's all my setup is, y'all. Just dragging it back. All right, y'all. What am I doing? Passed up next to that tree and just bring it on back. There we go. I'm already getting bit. There we go. Nice little gill. Yep. There we go, y'all. Bluegills. I knew there was some bluegills around here. Let me bring up my pliers. You are gonna make me bring up my pliers. That was a little too close. Right there at the tree. Pull it off the tree. Let it settle. Come on up. There we go. There we go. We don't feel that much better. You alright? You alright? Yeah, keep. There we go. Let's pick it up, bring it back. There we go. Oh, a little nothing. He got off good. Drag it. There we go. A little better fish. A little better fish, y'all. Let's go. Dragging it across the bottom. Yeah. Cool. Cool one. Yeah. Little red there act like he was big. Time to head in. Let's go. Fishing is therapy, boy.